Hey content creators, welcome back to Obakhas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bank account in AdSense. So let's say you are a YouTuber or running some website out there and you have reached the level of being paid some cash for your hard work and you want to receive that money through your bank account. If that is the case, the process is simple. All you need to do is to watch this video up to the end without skipping any step. And we are going to start right away. Now, first, I'll be talking about Google AdSense and YouTube, right? As we all know, in order for you to get paid for your work on YouTube, you must have an AdSense account and they must be linked together, of course. When it comes to be paid and your money has reached this required threshold, you will be given a chance to add an alternative way to receive that money apart from the default method, right? So this is the complete process of how you can do it. Now, first of all, you need to sign in to your Google AdSense account. Then once you're in your account homepage, go to your left-hand options, then click on payment. Then under payment info, go to your right. On how you get paid, you need to click on add payment method. Then next here, we only have two methods you can add, right? The first one is add new wire transfer details. The last one is add a new check detail. So you need to click on the first one, add wire transfer details. Then next, you need to fill in these blank spaces. The first one is beneficiary ID. This one is optional. You can leave it blank as well. Then after that, just provide the name, your name as it appears on your bank account. If you forgot, you can just confirm on your bank statement. Then after that, next you need to fill in your bank name. So then below it, you'll be required to fill in the SWIFT code of your bank, right? Every bank has a different SWIFT code worldwide, right? So I'm a Kenyan and my bank is KCB, so that is Kenya Commercial Bank. So here is the SWIFT code of my bank, right? So if you're from Kenya, you can just copy this SWIFT code. It's for a KCB bank in Kenya. So if you don't know the SWIFT code of your bank, you can ask at the bank customer service desk and you'll be helped to get the SWIFT code, or you can as well Google the SWIFT code of your bank. But to be sure, you just need to ask your bank and you'll be helped to get your SWIFT code, right? After that, down here you need to fill in your account number. Then after that, again, you'll be asked to retype your account number. So here you need to be very careful not to enter details that will cause your money to delay or even failing to come, right? Once you're done, just scroll down and you need to make sure this box right here is checked if you want to make it as your primary payment method. Then after that, just click on save and your bank detail will be added in your AdSense account. So from there, any money you'll be making, once it reaches the target threshold, they'll be sent to your bank account. So guys, that's how you can add bank account in AdSense. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.